1. One good thing about music: when it hits you, you feel no pain. 2. The truth is, everyone is going to hurt you. You just got to find the ones worth suffering for. 3. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be all right. 4. Love the life you live. Live the life you love. 5. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. 6. Open your eyes. Look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? 7. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. 8. You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. 9. In this bright future, you can't forget your past. 10. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet.